गुड मॉर्निंग, शुभ प्रभात, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब दोस्तों। कैसे हो आप सब? आशा करती हूँ सब अच्छे होंगे। तो once again I'm going to read out some lovely quotes for you people, so keep tuned. Talking about our problems is our greatest addiction. Break the habit, talk about your joys. There are two ways to be happy. Change your situation or change your mindset towards it. Knowledge comes from learning. Wisdom comes from living. So, learn as much as you can and live your life to the fullest. Mind is a beautiful servant, but a dangerous master. So, learn to master your mind. And keep it in control. Tension is who you think you should be. Relaxation is who you are. So do not take tension. Try to be chilled out and relaxed. Peace begins when expectations end. So if you are having any expectations from anyone, please drop it. You will be a happier person. There is no fear for one whose mind is not filled with desires. The more we long for things, the more we crave for those things, and we make our lives unhappy if we are not able to achieve them. Do not get upset with people or situations. Both are powerless without your reaction. So before reacting to anything or any word of anyone, think twice before reacting. Keep silence, be peaceful. No matter how poor you think you are, if you have a loving family, you have everything. So family is the most valuable gift of God to us. So cherish your moments with your family. Love them. Challenges make you more responsible. Always remember that life without struggle is a life without success. Don't give up and learn not to quit. Whatever the situation is, be brave enough to face it. Think out for a solution. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world, because even your own shadow leaves you in the darkness. So stop relying and depending on anyone else other than your own self. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. So if there is anything in your heart, grudges, anger, whatever it is, just let it go and be free like a bird. Turn the pain into power. If there is pain in your life, try to be a strong person and take that power and fight it off. To heal a wound, you need to stop touching it. If you are wounded, or if you have any sort of pain in your heart, don't keep thinking about it, and you will be more in pain. So keep loving, keep rocking. Love you all. Good day, good luck. God bless. Mwah.